Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove objects on CapCut PC. So copy and paste your videos like so, go to mask and select a shape that it's gonna like cover your image. So it's like around this size. Then I'm just going to get another part from the video and I'm just going to drag that there. Go back to mask and you're going to feather out, but not too much that you can see the object. So 3 to 4% is good. I know the coloring is different. So I'm just going to adjust the exposure a little bit to match the one up here and the saturation too, because it is a bit lighter here where the light hits it. So yeah, that is pretty much it. As you can see, it seems kind of seamless to me. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.